Hey everybody, Mark Bates here. I'm just trying to solicit some feedback on a potential plugin API for the Buffalo command. So here's kind of what I've got, and I'd love to know what people think. I've got a command here called Buffalo Tom. If you don't know who Buffalo Tom are, Google them. They're an amazing band from Boston. And as part of this command here, I have, there we go, this command, the subcommand called available, and it lists all of the available commands within this binary here. So I've got three different things here. I've got one foo, which can be nested under the generate command, a bar, which can be generated under the bar command, under the generate command, and another bar, the same bar, that can be run under the dev command for Buffalo. And so the way it kind of works is similar to other kind of plugin systems where it uses a very specific naming scheme for the binaries. So in this case, because it's called Buffalo-Tom, the binary, when it gets installed into my Go path, is Buffalo-Tom. So if I open up my Go path here, go to Go code, bin, you can see I have a Buffalo-Tom binary there. And the idea being that Buffalo can find these binaries in your Go path bin folder, and then query them like such. What are your available plugins? It's going to give back some JSON that tells me that information. So to kind of make a Buffalo plugin, you would create a binary named Buffalo dash whatever you want to call the binary. Then you would have this available subcommand on that, which returns a JSON array of available plugin commands. So now Buffalo can automatically find those. So here I have my trusty Coke app, for example. And if I do Buffalo generate help, for example, you can see we've got bar and foo in there. And I can actually call these bar. I can call foo. I can pass arguments into them. I can pass flags into them as regular commands. And if we look at Buffalo dev -- help here, you can see there's that bar again, this time as a subcommand, right? So I can do Buffalo dev bar, or I can do Buffalo dev, which would start up my application. So that's kind of where I'm at in my thinking for plugins. Please let me know what everybody thinks before we go and kind of publish this. I'm really curious to get people's feedback on whether this is easy to use, whether it's completely useless, whether it's nice to have. I see it as a way for people to add generators to the commands, kind of make it part of Buffalo command. You just install the binary, and then you've got some generators or whatever have you show up in there. So that's it for now. Let me know what you think, please. Thank you.